It's a new 2025 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: steering assist cruise control, inductive device charging, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.